Water is precious. We need water to live, we need it for drinking, cooking and growing our food. Many places face water shortages. There's not enough water for everyone. We need to use water carefully. Saving water helps us now. It also helps people in the future. If we waste water today, there will be less tomorrow. We can all do our part to save water. Every drop counts. We can save water inside our homes. Simple changes can make a big difference. Check for leaks. A leaky faucet wastes a lot of water. Fix leaks quickly. Take shorter showers. Turn off the water while you soap up. Use a bucket to collect water while showering. Use this water for your plants. Our gardens need water, but we can water our gardens wisely. Water plants in the early morning. Less water evaporates in the cool morning air. Collect rainwater in a barrel. Use this rainwater to water your garden. Choose plants that don't need much water. Ask your local nursery for drought-resistant plants. Saving water helps everyone. It helps our planet and it saves us money. When we save water, our water bills are lower. That means we have more money to spend on other things. Saving water also helps the environment. It protects our rivers, lakes and oceans. Let's all pledge to save water. Every drop we save makes a difference.